Hi, my name is Shalom.
Hi, my name is Behla.
Welcome to Heider 906. Come on in.
First, we're going to show you the closet that we have here. This is one of the main storage spaces that we have. Normally, I like to hang like coats in here, and then also Creighton provides you this dresser drawer, so then I have some of my clothes in here, and then other like shoes and other things on top.
And then here is the other closet. This is where I have my dresser that you saw Behla had over there. It also comes with this piece of storage, so there's definitely a lot of storage here in these rooms. When you walk this way, we have the bathroom, which has even more storage here, and also if you open the mirror, there's storage in there as well. So definitely not a lack of storage. So when you walk into the main area, this is the efficiency style, so there's no separate bedroom. It's kind of just one big open floor plan, which we really love because it's efficient, like the name. This is my side of the room. Creighton provided this bookshelf, so I have my school books on top and then kind of my more fun personal reading and my vinyls down there. And then here I have my desk and my drawer space that comes with the room. And as you can see, I just decorated it how I liked. And then I have my bed. Our beds are fully lofted, but again, you can decide where you want to loft it. We just like it fully lofted. And then over here, we have this table that also came with the room, and then the couch did as well. We got our couch cover off of Amazon. There's a million everywhere. It just kind of helps match the couch to your room aesthetic, but it comes with the room.
Then over here we have my side of the room. Like Shalom said, Creighton provides you with this bookshelf here, and then I filled it with some other storage things like some cubes I got from Target. And then we're going to transition over here to the kitchen, which is personally my favorite part of our room. So Creighton provides you with the fridge here and then a stove as well. The only thing I would say is that they do not give you a microwave, so we had to bring one from home. And then we just sort of divided and conquered on who brought like utensils and cooking materials. But it really just depends on how much cooking you're planning on doing here. And then we also brought a trash can because Creighton does not provide you with that. They do, however, give you a recycling bin to put your recycling things in.
And lastly, of course, the best part about Heider, ours unfortunately isn't as decorated, but you can definitely take a look. It's so much space, you get a great view of campus.
And that's our room.
Thank you so much for coming and touring it today. We can't wait to see you on campus.